Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the DIY Floral Challenge Summer 2018. This is co-hosted by Lindsey of Dormer Homes and Heidi of Happily Thriving Heidi. Now in this challenge, you think outside the box when it comes to florals. It can be real flowers, fake flowers, paper flowers, anything that has flowers. Now when I started to think how I wanted to do this, I have been making rag garlands, lighted garlands for a while now. And I decided, well, I'm going to do just a little bit of a twist on this. Instead of using material, I've decided I'm going to try to use flowers instead. Because I am going to put up a 4th of July, or a patriotic tree. So the first thing that I do, now it would be better if you had a string of lights of 50 light string. Unfortunately, I don't have that. All I had was 100 lights. So what I had to do, and I went ahead and done this, I went ahead and folded them in half. I folded, and I just used the old pipe cleaners for it, because these will be coming off anyway, but that will just keep them together up until, because I'm going to be using, to put the flowers on it, I'm going to be using zip ties. And once I zip tie it, then the little pipe cleaners will be coming off. Now, I wanted to have something else, just to have a little glitter to it. So I got this little garland from Dollar Tree. Now unfortunately I didn't realize it was not long enough for it. I thought it would be. So what I did is I found the center of my lights, and there's where I'm going to put this for right now. And I'm going to add this to the garland right here. And like I said, this will be coming off, these pipe cleaners, so don't worry about those. This is just sort of to help keep everything together until it's time to really start putting them on. Now, I've never have done this before, so I'm not sure how it's going to look. We'll just have to wait and see. Probably came close. Okay, now it's time to get started. Beforehand, I went ahead and I've clipped the flowers. They're just, I got some at Dollar Tree, I got some from Dollar General, and even some from Walmart. They're all just the little, anywhere from 97 cents for a little bunch of 5 or 6. Some of them were $1. but I clipped them, and I'm just, to keep them from falling off, as you can see, I'm just going to get my needle nose pliers and just bend. This is where we'll start. I'm going to get the zip tie. Okay. Then we just clip. And what we'll do is just keep going. We started with blue, so we'll go to red. And then you just keep going down. Now I'm using, like I said, red, white, and blue because I'm doing a patriotic tree, and I'm actually going to put this on the tree. But you could do summer flowers if you want a garland for your mantle on your fireplace or anywhere that you may want a garland, and use any type of flowers that you want or whatever color that you want. So I'm going to continue and get you to just fast forward through most of it, but that's the way that it should be looking. Okay, now like I said from the beginning, I have never made one of these, so I was sort of learning as I went. The best way I have figured out to put these on there is to twirl this end on each one of them when you start to put it on. Then get your zip tie and go through that little end right there, and then put it on your garland. That way all you have to do put that on. I tried it several different ways to try to figure out which way was the best, and this is what, in my opinion, is the best way of doing it. I ran out of the original zip ties that I had, and I went to my little stash of zip ties. I love zip ties. So I went and I found some that was actually a little smaller, and those work even better. So I am just about through. Then I'm going to show you, I'm going to put up my tree, because I'm definitely making a 4th of July tree, or a patriotic tree I should say. And I'm going to start by putting the garland on first. So as soon as I get through here, I'm going to put it on the tree and then share with you the way it looks on that. Now you can see it will twist and everything, but there you go. Now I'm going to put the tree up and show you what it's going to look like on the tree. Be back in a few. Now I am back to show y'all how I have used the flower garland. I put up a patriotic tree, and this is where I wanted to use my garland. I think it turned out really, really good, and I want to thank Lindsey and Heidi for this challenge and making it an open challenge. To be honest with you, I probably would not have made this if it had not been for this. And I think it turned out really good, and I'm real happy that I did it. Once again, thank you, Lindsey and Heidi. And I want to thank everyone who is watching this. I hope that you may get inspired and want to make one for yourself. Now, like I said, you don't have to have this just for a tree. It would look, this garland would look real pretty on a mantle, look pretty on a windowsill. It just has many possibilities, and I just hope y'all would try it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to leave Lindsey and Heidi's channel in the description box. Please check them out. They're going to have a playlist of everyone who has participated in this challenge. Hope everyone has a great week and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.